Hello there, YouTubers. This is Royce39 again with a request for an exhaust video. And so I'm going to go ahead and give you a cold exhaust startup. Hasn't been driven all this morning except for getting out of the garage. So hopefully you can hear it. It's currently idling at 1500 RPMs, and I'll give you a few revs and I'll let you know what they're at after I do them. I'll do 3 of them. There were the 3 revs. First one was at 3000 RPM. The next one was at 5, and the last one was at 6. This is back at idle, and it's right there back in between 1000 and 1500. If you guys have any comments, questions, want to see anything else, go ahead and leave me a comment. Thanks a lot.